showed me how to walk with grace, to fold my hands and seek His face. You live the truth, you guide with love, just like my Father up above. I wanna love like my Father does, kind and strong and full of trust. You lead me close to God each day, by how you live, by how you pray. You teach me grace, you teach me truth, you teach me how to follow too. You speak with care, you work with heart, you play your God-appointed part. Through highs and lows, through night and day, you help me walk the narrow way. I wanna love like my Father does, kind and strong and full of trust. You lead me close to God each day, by how you live, by how you pray. You teach me grace, you teach me truth, you teach me how to follow too. Train me up in the way I should go, your life has helped my spirit grow. You lead me not with pride or fuss, but like my Father, righteous just. I wanna love like my Father does, kind and strong and full of trust. You lead me close to God each day, by how you live, by how you pray. You teach me grace, you teach me truth, you teach me how to follow too.
Papa Ronnie, maligayang araw ng mga ama. Pasensya na kung minsan ay napapasakitan namin ang inyong damdamin dahil sa aming mga katigasan ng ulo. Pero higit sa lahat, nagpapasalamat kami sa Diyos na Ikaw ang aming haligi ng tahanan. Mahal ka namin, Papa, at lagi kong pinagdarasal ang iyong mabuting kalusugan at mas malalim na pagkakilala sa ating Diyos na sinasamba. Ikaw ang aming inspirasyon at gabay. I love you so much. Happy Father's Day.
Hi, Papsi! Happy Father's Day! We just want to thank you for everything that you have done for us. Thank you for your love and for your guidance, and thank you for being our moral compass. We pray that the Lord will continue to bless you with good health and long life. Again, Happy Father's Day! How about you, Kiel?
Happy Father's Day, Papo. I love you.
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day to all!
Morning po sa inyo lahat. Anong masasabi ko sa tatay ko? Siguro siya na yung pinakamasipag na tatay para sa akin. Gigising niya ng maaga si tatay para magpainom ng baka. And also para i-check yung tubigan niya. And ayun, sobrang hanga ko sa kasipagan ng tatay ko. Lagi ako kasama ng painom ng baka. And ayun, nag-ibis ko na yun. Siguro pag-uwi ko tayo, kasama ko sa inyo painom ng baka. And ayun, ingat kayo palagi dyan tayo. Gagawin ko yung lahat para makabawi sa inyo ni nanay. Marami ko na kapatid. Patuloy ka rin bigyan tayo ng kalakasan ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay. God bless tayo and happy Father's Day.
Sa aking ever supportive, loving, and makulit na tatay, Happy Father's Day po Nawa ay patuloy ka pong gabayan ng ating Diyos at sobra po akong nagagalak kasi hindi lang po tayo mag-ama, kundi magkapatid din tayo sa pananampalataya. Maraming po salamat sa lahat at nawa ay magpatuloy ka pa po sa paglago sa ating Panginoon. Muli, Happy Father's Day. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Tatay!
Happy Father's Day, Tatay!
Happy Father's Day sa aming ama ng tahanan. Nawa bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay kalakasan. Happy Father's Day po! I love you!
Happy Father's Day! My tatay Modesto Paiton. We love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Chup, chup, chup.
Hello. Ayun. Ngayon lang ako mag-record. It's 12:03. Late na ako nakauwi. I just got home from a company event. Pero, I would like to take this time and opportunity para batiin ka, Daddy, ng Happy Father's Day. And, of course, also to thank you for everything that you've done and sacrificed for us sa family. Kay Rain, sa akin, and kay Mom. And, I hope that you know na we do appreciate all of the things you've done for us sa pagpapalaki sa amin, lalo magkapatid. Ang aking wish is that, number one, sana hindi na kayo mag-away palagi ni Rain pag wala ako sa bahay. And then, what I can say and guarantee is that I will do my best sa trabaho ko. And hopefully, ganun din si Rain so that we can give back sa inyo ni Mami for taking care of us up to this point. So, yun lang. Happy Father's Day and enjoy the rest of the day. Hopefully, makauwi na ako soon para makapag-bonding time na tayo ulit family. Bye-bye!
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy Father's Day, Daddy!
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Salamat sa pagiging daddy ng mga bata, sa pagiging asawa. Tunay nga napakabait mo. At tunay na nakikita namin ang pagiging lingkod ng Diyos sa iyo. Papatuloy mo lang ang paglilingkod. At naririto kami para sa pagsuporta sa iyo. Again, Happy Father's Day.
Hello po, magandang araw po sa bawat isa. And Happy Father's Day po sa lahat ng ating mga katatayan sa ating church. Especially po sa aking Papa. Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you so much. Bye-bye.
You play your God-appointed part through highs and lows, through night